I made the mistake of making seafood gumbo for my ex-girlfriend and her family one time. Well, she wasn't really an ex-girlfriend, but she was a girl I was talking to. She was from New Orleans or Shreveport. I ain't know her that well. Anyway, her grandma was rude as shit. She was giving me an hour lecture about how okra wasn't in there, and it's not real gumbo without okra. And I was like, lady, why you sad? Why you crying? I don't care whose sugar mama it is. I ain't putting no slimy, grimy, nasty ass okra in anything I'm cooking because it's disgusting. It's the worst thing ever. It's the worst food ever. I don't want to see okra in life. For the rest of my life, I don't care to see okra anywhere. I don't care how pissed off grandma gets. If I get gumbo from somebody's grandma and it has okra in it, I'm throwing the out.